What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lovely Maya back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so today I'll be working with this 4x6 straight wig. This is a closure, but I'm going to be making it into a glueless wig. This is how it looks right now. I have this 40 developer that I'm going to use. I have a brush to brush it on. I use this bowl from a beauty supply store, and I also use BW2 powder. I have this Shimmer Lights shampoo plus the Shimmer Lights conditioner. I have some tweezers that I'm going to use. You want to start off, go ahead and put a little bit of the powder inside of the bowl. You want to put small amounts of the developer inside of the bowl because you can always add more. So you can see me adding, and I just keep adding until I get the consistency that I like. Be careful not to add too much of the developer because you do not want your paste to be liquidy, because if it is liquidy, you will over bleach your wig. So I'm just taking a little bit of the paste, and I'm starting off in the back of the wig because the back knots are thicker, meaning it will take longer to bleach. This is how the wig looks once you have applied the paste. And as you can see at the top, I did not put the paste on because I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes before I apply the rest of the paste to the top of the wig where the knots are smaller. So now you see me placing this aluminum foil on it. I'm going to place it down, and then I'm going to cover it up and leave it there for 10 minutes like I said before I start to apply the rest of the paste. So 10 minutes has passed, and now I'm applying the rest of the paste. And once I finished, I just placed the aluminum foil back on the closure, and I'm going to let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. This is how your closure should look once you are done letting it bleach. Now I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm going to add the Shimmer Lights shampoo. I'm going to wash that out, and then I'm going to apply the conditioner. I have this paper towel here under the hair because I want to make sure that I can see everything. I'm placing 2 pins on each side. You want to make one small part in the front so you can start plucking the hair. So I have my tweezers, and we're going to start plucking in a direction towards the back of the hair. And as you can see, I'm not plucking in the same spot. I'm always moving when I pluck, because when you're plucking in the same spot, it can create holes, and we do not want holes in our wig. Once that is plucked, I'm going to make another part, another small part, and I'm going to do the same thing until I have reached the desired look that I want. So I'm going to let y'all watch the process. Look at that. You can already see the difference.
Feeling like I'm fresh out loose. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard hand for her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on.
So here you see me, I have made my part. I'm going to continue to pluck now on both sides to make sure that they are equal. I'm also using this spray bottle with water in it to help make sure that I don't over pluck. Look at the difference in between the sides. Like, do you see the material? Let's get into it. So here you see me. I did put a little curls in it, y'all. This is how the wig looks by me just putting it on top of my head. I haven't done anything to it yet, but placed it on top of my head. I'm separating the baby hairs so that whenever I get ready to flat iron or hot comb my hair, they won't be in the way. I have an eyebrow razor cutting across the lace, making sure not to cut in a straight line. You want to do a zigzag motion. And y'all, I was going to do it on the camera, but I really couldn't see the lace, so I had to look in the mirror. So just make sure when you're cutting it, you're cutting in a zigzag motion. You can kind of see where my hand is going whenever I cut the lace. And the reason for this is to make sure that the lace is not detectable. I'm using these flat iron to curl the baby hairs before I start putting the product on them to lay them down. Yeah, I mean, so what lace? Alright, so this step y'all don't have to do, but I just did it because this is a glueless wig. I mean, I still can take it off with the got to be glue laid on there, but for a glueless wig, you really don't need any product on it. I just used it because I wanted to. I'm using this mousse to lay down my edges, and I'm going to use this brush to lay my edges down. Now I'm going to use this wax stick to make sure that my hair is laid as much as possible. And now I'm going to go in with this hot comb around my hair to make sure that it is laid flat. Okay. And yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. You see that? That looks very nice, y'all. Period. Yes ma'am. Plus the curls. Yeah, you see it. And yes ma'am, by the time you are done, your hair should be looking something like this. This is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.